Well, the Centers for Disease Control today relaxing its COVID-19 guidelines for in-classroom learning for grades K through 12 from a minimum of 6 feet to just 3 feet.
But some health experts say that still may not be realistic in all school settings.
You take a district like Akron Public, they have 20,000 kids. It's impossible to keep those children that far apart.
Those experts say parents don't need to be concerned about the new CDC guidelines if their children are heading back to the classroom Monday.
But parents should again warn their children about maintaining social distance, hand washing, mask wearing, and especially avoid congregating in school common areas. 5 on Your Side investigator Joe Pakanakis, he joins us live tonight. He went in depth on the new CDC guidelines. Joe?
Courtney, Rob, major Northeast Ohio school districts like Parma and Cleveland will be returning back to in-classroom learning this coming Monday, and both districts are confident their current COVID-19 safety plans will make it safe for both students and staff.
There are some classrooms where, some of the desks aren't going to be a full 3 feet apart. We've been honest about that.
Parma Superintendent Charles Smilek says 76% of the district's 9,300 students will return to the classroom on Monday, that the CDC's reduced minimum in-class distance between students won't change their safety protocol all that much, that his staff will monitor instances where the CDC is still calling for 6 feet of distance between adults, students and adults, in school building common areas, and during school activities like singing, shouting, sports, band practice, or exercise.
Reminding the students of the importance of keeping moving, less congregating around lockers.
Smilek admits it's been frustrating for parents and staff in coming up with a plan when CDC COVID-19 recommendations haven't matched guidelines from the Ohio Department of Health and other health agencies.
That sometimes translates in a clean line down to the Cuyahoga County Board of Health. At other times, there has not been consistency between those different entities.
The American Academy of Pediatrics said 3 feet would be adequate.
Summit County Health Commissioner Donna Skota acknowledged the varying guidelines from agency to agency, but says as long as focused hand washing, mask wearing, and social distancing where possible are enforced, in-classroom safety will be maintained.
And that we are now realizing that it is safe for children to be in a controlled environment and have closer distances. So parents should not worry.
And Cleveland schools told me just a few hours ago that the new CDC recommendations will not have them changing their current COVID-19 safety guidelines as students, Courtney, head back to the classroom again this coming Monday. It's going to be exciting.
Yeah, so Joe, what is the message that health experts say parents should tell their children before returning to the classrooms next week?
Well, Health Commissioner Skota says parents should once again sit down with their students, remind them about the importance of hand washing, wearing a mask, and social distancing. Also, she's urging them to avoid congregating in those common areas within their school buildings.
All right, Joe Pakanakis reporting live for us tonight. Thanks so much.